Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic, and today I'm going to do a review of this brand which I have been loving lately. This is basically the brand Mom and Co, and I love every single thing about this brand, and I have been testing. Definitely I've been testing from past 2 weeks. I'm sorry, past 2 weeks I've been testing this product, and it is completely paraben free, sulfate free and chemical free. So you guys might be seeing my Instagram story that I have been getting a lot of acne and stuff like that, and this product is kind of healing me, I would say. I will not say 100% healing, but I am very happy with the results what I'm right now seeing on my face. And also I'm going to talk about more in detail, and I'm going to show you how the product is. So let's just get started. So the first thing what I have is this one, which is the natural this is the product which I'm talking about. This is natural Vita rich face cream. I started using this, and this is perfect for all skin tone, anti-pigmentation controller for all skin type. I think you should definitely give it a try. The packaging of this bottle is excellent, guys, like really excellent. This is how the bottle looks like. It comes with a nice pump. Here you get a nice pump, and you can just take out the product. Take out the product how much you want. And what I really like about this product, it actually melts into your hand so evenly and without any stickiness or anything. If you can see, yeah, this is how the product melt in, and I really like the smell and the consistency of this product. And I think this retailed for $6.99, but probably you can get it on a discounted price. And yeah, this is what I really like it. And going on, the next product which I have is one of my favorite one, and this is natural Vita rich face wash, which is 100% with vitamin C, B3, B5 and hyaluronic acid. And if you guys know, these days vitamin C serum and hyaluronic acid is something a very unique combination, and most of them, like everybody, is putting that kind of solution in their product. So this is basically a face wash, and this is how the packaging looks like. And as I mentioned, that it has got vitamin C, B3 and B5 and hyaluronic acid, and you just need to take 1 or 2 pumps, guys, and it comes in a really nice sleek bottle. This is how the bottle looks like. And I'm right here, like, here, because I have been using every single day just after removing my makeup. And these days pollution let's not talk about pollution. If you guys are following me on my Instagram story, then you might be knowing, because pollution is killing me like hell. Okay, so anyways, coming back to the product, this is how the packaging looks like, and there is a kind of a lock which is just need to remove it, and it is very travel friendly bottle if you preserve this lock. So this is how the bottle looks like, and yeah, you just need to take 1 pump of it. It is this kind of a consistency. It's like very runny consistency. Sorry, I can't even speak. This is how the product looks like. You just need a very tiny amount, and just go ahead and apply on your face, and just slowly massage like this, and everything will be out. So guys, this is how my face looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video, and definitely I would highly recommend this product to you all, because there is no side effect of this product, and also there is no reaction, and it is definitely paraben free and chemical free. Of course, while applying the face cream right after my face makeup removing and all that stuff, slightly I was getting ticklish over here, and which happens most of the time because I have a super dry and equally sensitive skin. So I get rashes and stuff like that, but the cream gets dissolved in your skin immediately, guys. If you can see my face, it gets dissolved immediately, and there is a very nice shine to your face, which I really like about this product. And they are travel friendly and also chemical free. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.